What's up YouTube? So another video. What did Bitcoin do? Bitcoin hasn't done shit within a couple of weeks. This looked like Bitcoin was about to break out, so that this was the bottom, but we lost it, and yeah, we lost this bottom as well. And if you lose the bottom, it's quite lower, so it's around here, you go down very rapidly. The thing that's now happening is that you can see we're building up compression, but below this low. And this is not good, because if you want something that looks bullish, you should want the price to immediately come back up like a big green candle like this. But then instead of losing it all again, you should be around here and go up quite rapidly. But now you can see that it's just slacking around here. The long time frame, I would say we go quite a lot lower. So this is an important level just because of the low, because of this high, and it's also it's like a support level, but 12k is a bit low. On the long run, it's not that low, but yeah, first you have something around here or something, 14k. Yeah, and now this is another, but this is not really as strong as a level, I believe. Yeah, so I don't see anything happening around here. So if this was the bottom, I would be really amazed. And yeah, if you look on just the candle formation, you see that you reject each time. So you see here the first green candle, this is like the first level, then it rejected, and yeah, you have another high and high, but the highs are getting lower and lower, and the lows, actually you lost this low, so this was a low, it was a high low, but then you lost it. So the thing now, it looks like it's quite holding up here, but it's too early to say that this could be a bottom. It's trade worthy, but in the long run, I would say that we are going to, I don't know, 10k-ish or something. But for now, this doesn't look that strong, just because you have a big wick. And yeah, the price pumped up a little bit, but now it does nothing. And around this point, you should really want a pump, just to get above this high. On the lower time frame, you have like this big gap around here, so maybe it will get filled. That's quite a lot. I'm going to go for a short, probably. Let's see what price does. So a live day trade, let's do that. Let's plan in a day trade or a scalp or something, I don't know. So let's make it better to visualize. You have like this level, and I don't know this, but doesn't matter. So the thing is, you have like bump, hiccup, and then we go lower. Yeah, with this, this doesn't mean shit. And then we have this. So if you look at this high, this is probably already a test of this. So most of the time, I'm going to watch where the ship strands. But if you look on the lower time frame, maybe, yeah, I'm just going to wait. But for the sake of the video, I'm going to plan a trade. Short. Do I take a short around here? This is quite stupid, because it's basically market, to step in market. We have this hiccup, and you have like, you lost the low first, and then you made a big pump till here, which is, it's almost around here. So in my lessons, I told that like the place you want to take entries is around here. So if you see that there's a big wick and a big movement going upwards, and it's almost around here, but it didn't go between these lines, so that means in my eyes that it's quite bearish. So yeah, you could look for a short, and that's what I did. So for now, this doesn't matter anymore. So the next thing I am looking at is around here. Mm. And yeah, so the next high you will be looking at is around here. And yeah, the next move we had was this. And if you even go in the lower time frame, this is Bitstamp, and I trade on Binance most of the time. But yeah, this chart is really whack. But you can see here that yeah, you have like the real top, and then you have this high, and you have this high. But yeah, this was this high. So it rejected around here. Yeah, first of all, the price was slacking around here. So when an outbreak comes, you would expect something big, and yeah, it isn't that big. I think it's a couple of percentages, but yeah, there did not happen anything quite enormous, so that's bearish as well. So for me, I think that this for now is the top. This, yeah, it's not for sure. It's a trade, and um, yeah. So probably this top won't be ticked out in a while. And you see here that yeah, you made it, and then you lost this low. So it's really bearish. So I say that for the sake of the trades, that this is basically the top. I could be wrong. That's why I have a stop loss and stuff. But yeah, my trade is like on the assumption that this is the high. It's quite gay because the price is already moving, and yeah, I stepped in. So yeah, it's quite gay. So, but never mind. Um, the next thing you look for is a stop loss. I already decided it. So yeah, first I wanted to put the stop loss around here, but that was way too tight. Yeah, it's just because I don't have balls. I didn't dare to do it. But I put it the stop loss just above here, above these wicks. The reasoning why is that oh, I can't explain it. It's like experience. Just go with that. It's like you have this would be reasonably because the ID I take a trade on was that this is the high, but I didn't do it. I placed it around here. So if I have my first take profit, which I'll come to in a second, yeah, I probably will put my stop loss above this high. So the theoretically trade is filled around here, and yeah, the first take profit. So the next thing you look for is uh, levels, uh, special price points, let's say. So the first thing you have on the lower time frame would be around here, and if we take that a lot, yeah, wouldn't be abnormal. So this could be a good level. It's around 30. This could be a good level. It's 0.38%. Oh my god. Yeah, that trade is quite bad. It's quite bad. But never mind, I think the possibility is really big that it will work. But we want the big shot. But so let's say we put out 30 right here. I don't know why, but this is not the best trade. But yeah, never mind. Yeah, the thing I'm aiming for is like the bottom around here. So that do is a big that is a big trade. The next target would be around here. Let's take this low. This is say a bit lower. And yeah, let's take this noise and another 30. And then we have 40%, and we put it around here. Mm. So yeah, this will be the trade. So the ratio is not that good, but if we make the full trade, it would be quite decent. The thing for now is that, like, yeah, you can see here that yeah, we had this, we had quite off a bottom, and blah blah. Didn't lose this, but now you lost this bottom, and then you went up, and now you lost it again. So for now, I would put my stop loss above this high, and yeah, it makes the ratio better, but no, it actually doesn't matter. So yeah, this is live trades. It's gated. It's yeah happening afterwards, kinda. But yeah. So voor de Jan, deze is een tradeje dat ik nu in de Discord ga plaatsen. Right. See you later.